Welcome you all. I hope you all are safe and healthy. In previous video we have discussed about network terminologies. So today we will discuss about the Kirchhoff's laws. So basically the Kirchhoff's laws given by Gustav Kirchhoff. He was the German scientist and gives two laws, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. So first one is Kirchhoff's current law. So we will discuss Kirchhoff's current law. So basically this law relates to the current in electrical circuit. So here mathematically we can write the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a point or at a junction is equal to 0. So here we can see this is the example. So here I am taking here a point, junction point, say P, and these are the 5 branches, 5 conductors we can say. So on each branch or each conductor current is flowing I1, say I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, and direction is also mentioned, inward and outward. So I1 is the inward current, incoming current, I2 is the outgoing current, I3 is the outgoing current, I4 is the incoming current, and I5 is the incoming current. So mathematically we can write the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a point is equal to 0 is known as Kirchhoff's current law. So here the I1 is incoming current, so we will take positive, and I2 is an outgoing current, so we will take negative. So I1 is incoming, so I1 plus algebraic sum outward current is leaving from point P, so we will take here negative minus I2 plus I3 is also outward current, so minus I3 plus I4, because I4 is the incoming current and I5 is also incoming current, so plus I5 is equal to 0. So here the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a point is equal to 0. So we will solve here. I1 minus I2 minus I3 plus I4 plus I5 is equal to 0. So here we will solve this. I1 plus I4 plus I5 is equal to I2 plus I3. So these I1 plus I4 plus I5 is called incoming currents, and these I2 plus I3 are called outgoing currents. So from here the Kirchhoff's current law can also be stated as the sum of incoming currents are equal to the sum of outgoing currents at a point or junction in an electrical circuit is called as Kirchhoff's current law. Second one is Kirchhoff's voltage law. So basically the Kirchhoff's voltage law relates to the voltages in a closed circuit of an electrical network is known as Kirchhoff's voltage law or Kirchhoff's second law, and this law is also called as Kirchhoff's mesh law. In a closed circuit or mesh, the algebraic sum of all the EMF sources plus the algebraic sum of all the voltage drops is equal to 0. So mathematically we can write in this form. This E is showing EMF sources and V is showing here voltage drops. So we can write V is equal to IR. I is the current, R is the value of resistance. So I into R is equal to V. So this is the voltage drop. So this law is known as Kirchhoff's voltage law. So thank you so much.